Practicing Tantra by yourself is really a matter of continuing this process of, am I embodied? Am I at war with my body? Am I breathing? Am I able to be sensually present? And like I said, I did a lot of exercises on my own, like going and getting massage and noticing, if I were with a lover right now, would I be arguing with this touch? You know, would I be able to receive it? What's going on with me and my sensuality? I would practice Tantra by, this is what my book for singles is about, is I practice Tantra by sitting with potential dates and going, what's in my way of being able to love this person in this moment? Because right now the divine has brought me this person to be my perfect love in this moment, whether I ever see him again or not. And I went on 150 first dates, so most of them the answer was no, but can I in this moment be present and loving towards this person? What is in my way of being in this present moment? What is my mind throwing up as the reasons I can't love this person? That's going to come up in my future relationships. So I was preparing for the lover in these ways, these tantric ways. You can read all kinds of books about doing all these kind of sexual exercises with yourself, and maybe that's a good idea, but I think taking the focus into, am I embodied? When I'm making love, am I going to be just going for technique, or am I going to be able to actually be present with this other person and receive their touch, receive the love that comes through their hands, their skin? Yeah.